Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your Google Play Store. Let's dive in. You go to your app, search for Google Play Store, and this is it. Click on it. This is my Play Store. Oh, okay. The Play Store platform is used to search for apps, for games, for anything, apps and games for you to that you wanted to use for your personal things. You can see these are the apps here that is here, and the Play Store is there for it to suggested many apps for you. Then you can download. We have the top charts. We have for kids. We have categories of anything you wanted to. You can see it's how art are designed. You can see art and designs. It is very good and easy. Just scroll down. You can see recommended for you. Go back down if you want to. You can see, just go down back here to see another one that you want to do. Is it edit photo like a pro? Just go there and it's going to bring out apps that is designed under the photo editing photo like a pro. You can see Play Store is very easy and good. And if you don't find anything you're looking for here, you can search. You can also search for games. You can see these are the games that you can download and use very free. It's free. Download and install. They are free. And if you want to search for any app, just click on the search for any apps. Let me search for something app here and it's going to bring it out. This is it. Just click on the apps here and this is it. If you have not, okay, let's say now let me use this one for example. Now this thumbnail maker, click on it and this is it. Play Store will ask you, do you want to install it? If I click on install now, you will see that it is pending and it will start installing now. Let's wait and see. You can see it has started installing. You just have to wait for it to be 100%. I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to install this. I'm going to press cancel. So if you want to install this now, you click on it, Play Store, click on the install now, and it's going to reach 100%. Once it is 100%, allow it to install and you can open it. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.